We are well and truly on a new trajectory in legislative management. I cannot fail to mention and commend the recent facilitation by the House of the work of majority and minority caucuses outside the scope of formal parliamentary business. I recently attended a meeting of the majority caucus and was able to observe and confirm the value of this new practice. And I salute the imagination deployed by the House in achieving this outfit. I hope, Opiyo Wandayi, you will also welcome me to the minority caucus, maybe to have a conversation. I indicated at the onset that this event is critical and of fundamental importance. By design, Parliament is a consequential institution of state. A democratic government is underpinned by a representative assembly.